Okay, imagine this. Someone in rural New Zealand is surviving on just $70 to $100 a week for groceries. No fancy meal kits, no daily coffee runs, just hardcore frugality. And here's the kicker. She's not struggling. She's thriving. This woman, a 41-year-old farm worker turned budgeting guru, accidentally became a case study in how to live richly with almost nothing. Let me unpack why her approach isn't just smart. It's a quiet rebellion against everything modern consumer culture tells us we need. First off, her secret weapon? Childhood habits. She learned to cook from scratch, stretch a $10 chicken into 7 meals, and ferment her own yogurt. Most of us see a recipe as a list of ingredients. She sees a survival strategy. But here's what fascinates me. She's not just saving money. She's rejecting the entire concept of convenience as luxury. When she says, I make my own muesli bars because store-bought ones taste like cardboard, that's not just frugality. It's a critique of industrialized food. How many of us blindly buy prepackaged snacks without questioning why a six-pack of granola bars costs $12? She's out here reverse engineering capitalism. And let's talk about her pantry philosophy. She doesn't panic buy. She waits for sales cycles, stockpiles toilet paper when it's discounted, and treats citrus fruits like cryptocurrency during harvest season. But here's the deeper layer. This isn't just budgeting. It's a masterclass in supply chain awareness. She understands price elasticity better than most business majors. When she says, I squirrel away eggs when the farm offers them, she's leveraging hyperlocal resource sharing, a system older than Amazon Prime. Meanwhile, urbanites are paying $5 for a farm-fresh dozen. Now, the luxury splurge that made me spit out my coffee? Salon shampoo. $70 every few months for hair care while surviving on homemade bread. This is where she loses me, but also where she wins. She prioritizes quality where it matters to her, proving that frugality isn't about deprivation. It's about intentionality. Contrast this with our obsession with treat yourself culture, where we justify $18 avocado toast as self-care. She's redefining what self-care even means. But here's the elephant in the room. Her lifestyle requires time, knowledge, and physical space. Not everyone can grow lettuce or has a neighbor offering free eggs. So is this replicable? Maybe not entirely. But what she's demonstrating is a shift from consumption to creation, a muscle most of us have lost. When she says, go back to basics, she's not just talking recipes. She's advocating for a mental reset about value. Let me leave you with this. In an era where food waste apps and discount grocery stores are booming, this woman's habits feel both ancient and futuristic. She's like a TikTok homesteader who accidentally joined the slow food movement. So next time you're annoyed that a single avocado costs $2, ask yourself, are we paying too much? Or have we just forgotten how to cook?